Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Saptarshee and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your USB bootable to install macOS Mojave on your PC. And if this video was helpful to you, then do consider liking my video and subscribing my channel for future updates. Now without any further delay, let's get started. To make your USB bootable, you will mainly need two files. First is the Unibase to make your USB bootable and the OS file which will be copied into your USB drive. You can download the files from the links given in the description. Now insert your USB drive into your PC. Now after inserting your USB drive, open Disk Utility. Now from here, select your external USB drive and then click on Erase. Now name it Mojave or anything else you want. And keep the format as macOS Extended Journal and scheme as GUID partition map. And then click on Erase. It might take 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your USB drive. Now click on Done and close Disk Utility. Now extract Unibase and open it. Now click on Continue and click on Agree. Now here select your USB drive and click on Continue. Select Mojave and click on Continue. Now here, if you are using a newer motherboard which support UEFI boot mode, then select UEFI boot mode, or if you are using an older motherboard which supports legacy boot mode, then select legacy boot mode. And here, if you are using an older AMD or Nvidia graphics card, then select the option which suits you best. Or if you are using an integrated graphics card, then you don't have to select anything. Just click on Continue and click on Continue and enter your password. And now it will start copying the file. It will take 20 to 30 minutes and in my case it took me about 30 minutes to get it complete.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. Yeah. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
And here, as you can see, we have successfully made the USB installer for macOS Mojave. And that's all for the part 4 of the Hackintosh series. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you have some question, feel free to post the comments. And also, if you want to support to grow this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.
Everybody ask me how I know.